Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can fix the issue of black screen on Instagram. So first of all, go to Play Store and type in Instagram, and here if it is showing update, then just click on update as you are not using the latest version of Instagram. And if it is showing open, then you are already on a updated version of Instagram. Now, even after having the latest version of Instagram and still getting this issue of black screen, go to your phone settings and here search for your app settings. Then click on manage apps and here search for Instagram. Now, after opening it up, click on clear data and here you will see this option of clear all data and clear cache memory. So just clean it up, clean your Instagram so the corrupted files can also be deleted, and then restart your Instagram and you will be able to fix this issue of black screen. Even if the issue persists, then just simply uninstall Instagram and then download an older version of Instagram, and for that you need to go to Google and here search for instagram.apk. Click on the first link and here you will see this option of old versions. Click on it, scroll down a little bit, and you can download the old versions according to your device and your device's requirement. So I hope one of the solutions work for you and you are able to solve your problem. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.